If you're stuck and can't figure out where to find Dream Shards, don't worry. Let's dive into the solutions. So first, try clearing Night Thorns, okay? These can drop Dream Shards even when you clear them, so keep an eye out. So, next you can visit the Dream Castle and check the magical chests. Sometimes Dream Shards are tucked inside there, waiting for you to open them. Another great tip is to complete quests. Many quests, especially from characters like Merlin, give you Dream Shards as rewards. Don't forget the fishing spots around the valley. Some of the fish that you catch drop Dream Shards too. Lastly, if you're looking for a faster way, try mining in the Forgotten Lands. There are hidden Dream Shards in the mining nodes, so keep mining. Now, by using these tips, you're going to gather Dream Shards much quicker. Keep exploring, and you're going to find everything that you need to unlock more in Disney Dreamlight Valley. If you like this video, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.